Hi guys, I'll explain you today how to format the SD card, micro SD card. So if you have, so this is quite the fastest way to move your data from your mobile to your laptop, or if you want to move your data from your laptop or your tablets to your mobile phone, because most of the time we use mobile phone, and you can also move the data from your cameras, from your dash cam or whatever. So this is quite the fastest way to move your data to your laptop, and you can upload the video wherever you want to, and you can delete the videos. So this is quite the fastest way, I would say. So this is a dummy adapter which was fitted in my laptop. As you can see, it was fitted here, and I removed this one. So I'm going to use one of the micro SD card adapter. So I have few of them because it comes with the micro SD card. So this is the micro SD card, as you can see. So I will place this micro SD card in the adapter. So just goes here. So you can see now the adapter is just here. So this is the micro SD card adapter. So as you insert this micro SD card adapter here, you can insert this here. So I have taken this out from the mobile phone and I have inserted this SD card adapter here. So instead of placing my mobile phone, connecting my mobile phone to the USB cable, which you can do, that's also one of the technique. So now I'm gonna insert this SD card here. So as you can see, I've just inserted this SD card here, and as I inserted this SD card here, I'm just going to the computer and just show you what happens on the screen. So in the screen, as you can see in the screen, here is the SD card here. So when you go to the screen and you click right, and if you want to format this SD card, so as you press format, and you can see the data here. So when you format this SD card, it will give you this warning that write protected. So there is you get this warning, and if you press OK, it will say the disk is write protected. Now you will get this warning on almost every SD cards. So how to get rid of this warning? Now as you can see here, this is the most important bit actually. So this is the most important. So now you can see this adapter here. So it's got a small pin here. So what you have to do is, if you move this pin all the way down, you still get the same warning, and if you move this pin all the way back, you will still get the same warning. So if you move this pin slightly in the middle, so if you move this pin slightly in the middle, like in this, now you can see that it's in the middle. So it's not completely back, it's just in the middle. So I'll try again. So now as you can see on the screen, now I will click format start, and when I click format, although it's still, so it's still not in the middle, so I'll just move slightly more. So this is the most important bit actually. It has to go in the middle, so it shouldn't go completely back, and it shouldn't go completely down. So I hope it works this time. So let me see. So once Now I'm on the screen now, so I'm just going to click here and click on format, and it's again this warning, so you click OK here now. So now it's formatted, it didn't give that warning, so it says format complete. So it's very important that this is the most important bit, because without formatting, sometimes you can't transfer the data, you can't copy the data from your laptop to your mobile phone, and you cannot sometimes do other way around. So hope you like this video. If you want to know more about technical stuff, we will post more videos. And again, you need this pin. Again, I'll mention about this, that you need this pin here to get the SIM card out from your phone, suppose here. So you need this pin most of the time. So I hope you like this video, and hope it will be easier for you to move the data. And please share this video if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.